Hello, Paul here. Today I'd like to talk about the fundamental differences between management and leadership. Let's explore how management focuses on maintaining the current state through planning, organizing, and controlling, while leadership is about envisioning change and enlisting others to achieve the vision. We will first define management and its core functions, followed by an analysis of leadership and its importance in driving change. Finally, I'll ask you to consider how your MBTI personality type influences your leadership and management strengths and challenges. Management is a systematic approach aimed at ensuring the efficiency and effectiveness of an organization. It involves planning, organizing, and controlling resources to achieve specific goals and maintain the current operational state. Planning involves setting objectives and determining a course of action for achieving those objectives. It's a proactive step that helps managers foresee potential challenges and allocate resources accordingly. Organizing is about arranging resources and tasks to implement the plans. This includes defining roles, responsibilities, and establishing a structure that facilitates coordination among different departments. Controlling involves monitoring performance and making adjustments as needed. It ensures that the organization is moving towards its goals and that deviations from the plan are addressed timely. Leadership is the process of influencing and guiding individual teams towards a common vision or goal. Unlike management, leadership focuses on inspiring change and aligning people's efforts with future aspirations. Leaders are responsible for establishing a compelling vision that articulates the desired future state. This vision serves as a motivation for employees, encouraging them to embrace change and work collaboratively. Effective leaders work to align their team's goals and efforts with the broader organizational vision. This involves communications, empathy, and establishing a sense of shared purpose among team members. Leaders inspire their teams through motivation and support, fostering an environment where individuals feel empowered to contribute towards the vision. They recognize achievements and create a positive culture. Now I want you to reflect on your personality type. What are your strengths and challenges as a leader and manager? Consider how your personality type traits shape your abilities as a manager and leader. Identify areas for personal growth and development in management and leadership. Although distinct roles, it's necessary to switch leadership and management hats as required. Identifying and implementing opportunities for change requires both leadership and management skills. It's important to understand how you perform as a manager and leader and consider the role of personality type in this reality. It would very much help me if you would like this video and subscribe to my channel. The more people that understand personality type, the more collaborative, productive, efficient, happy, and less stressful will be your workplace. Thanks for watching.